Hey there, I've got a very special knife that I'm offering for sale. This is a Victorinox Tourist with horn scales from the 50s. It's an 84mm knife, so it's a smaller version basically of a Spartan. And again, it's got horn scales, exposed rivets, old style awl. It dates, somewhere between 1951 and 1961. And it's just in excellent shape. Scales are in good shape. There's a little bulge right here on the front scale, but everything's intact and looks good. And the steel is just really nice on this knife. Here's your can opener, small screwdriver with the Swiss patent. Everything's really clean, shiny, sharp, straight. Here's your screwdriver cap lifter with the sharpened indent. No 90-degree stop. Yeah, this knife still has remarkably good snap. And then let's take a look at the small blade first. It's a clip point blade. I put nice fresh edges on these with my Lansky sharpening system, so they're nice and sharp. And then finally the main blade. And the tank stamp reads Victorinox, Switzerland, stainless, Ross Fry, and on the other side Victoria, Officier Swiss. And there's something really cool about this knife. It's got a blade etching that says Dolmesch, D-O-L-M-E-T-S-C-H, Dolmesch, Zurich. So that's a store in Zurich, and it's been around for a very long time, and it's still there. I think they've got several stores. But anyway, I love to get a knife with something like a Swiss company logo, or an etching of a town in Switzerland, or a store, somebody's name, something that ties the knife back to Switzerland and gives it that provenance. So this is a really nice knife. I wish I'd left all the tools out so I could show you how clean it was inside. Well, let me just open them up. Try not to cut myself. Breaking my rule, should be opening the sharp stuff last, but check this out. Wow. .84mm Tourist, grooved corkscrew 5-turn, aluminum liners, old style awl. Straight, shiny and nice. So anyway, that's for sale in my Etsy shop. So I think this is a pretty special knife, all the way from Zurich, Switzerland in the 50s to my hands here and to my Etsy shop. Buffalo horn scales. Please go take a look at it. Thanks for watching, and have fun collecting.